Good afternoon, Tigers. My name is Sawyer Jackson here with your campus weather forecast. We are definitely keeping track of a pretty active week in terms of changes in weather. Of course, you probably noticed if you were outside. We've got some pretty strong winds. Those are going to be holding on until Wednesday afternoon. Then those will start to calm down. That is going to be with the help of some showers and thunderstorms moving through really Wednesday evening throughout the overnight hours. After that, though, we will start to get some relief in terms of those wind speeds. And of course, the cooler weather is going to be on the way, going to be feeling a bit more like fall as you head out the door Thursday afternoon. Looking at those wind speeds across the area, Kansas City saw wind speeds up to 28 to 30 miles an hour over in St. Louis in that 20-mile-per-hour range. And we've been right in the middle, seeing that 20 to 25-mile-per-hour winds from the south. It has definitely been very breezy out there. I'm sure you noticed it if you were outside. And those are going to continue throughout the next 24 hours before we get some relief. And those strong southerly winds are the reason why we have been a bit warmer than we should be for this time of the year. Almost all of us here in central Missouri saw those temperatures get up into the low 80s by the afternoon hours, and we started to warm up even just a little bit further before, of course, we will start to cool down. But we are seeing those warmer temperatures hanging on for at least the next 24 hours because we are going to be seeing those strong southerly winds. Looking at that wind gust forecast, it is going to be still pretty breezy out there, even into tonight, seeing almost all of the area getting that 25 to 30-mile-per-hour wind gust speeds from the south, and even into Wednesday afternoon, those are still going to be holding on pretty strong. So definitely want to make sure you are securing any loose belongings before you head out the door. Those wind gusts by Wednesday afternoon could be in that 30 to 35-mile-per-hour range. So very breezy out there, but you are going to notice a little bit of cutoff as we get into Wednesday night. That is going to be with the help of a cold front moving through. That is also going to be what is driving our chances for showers and thunderstorms. Looking at that future cast, going to be seeing a lot of development and activity off into the west, more in the state to our west in particular, and up to the north. That is where we are going to be expecting our greatest chance of more stronger to severe storms. Although, as we get into the afternoon, evening hours, those storms will start to shift, become a bit more of an organized line as we get into Wednesday evening. And then as we get into the overnight hours, probably when you're in bed, that is where we are going to be seeing those storms roll through. Now, we do have the possibility to see some stronger to severe storms, but by the time this gets to us, it looks like these storms are going to be significantly weaker than what they were in the west. So that is good news for us. We shouldn't have to worry about the chances of severe weather as much. But that will clear out by Wednesday afternoon and Thursday afternoon. And by the time we get to Thursday afternoon, almost all of central Missouri could get half of an inch to an inch. So much needed rainfall, especially with the drought that we are currently in. Looking at that 7-day forecast, by Thursday afternoon, you don't have to worry about any rain out plans for Halloween because we are going to be getting rid of rainfall, and it is going to be feeling a bit more like fall with temperatures in the upper 50s.